Here we have a suite of 4 interactive dice from CPD College. You can choose to throw either 1 dice, 2 dice, 3, 4 or 5 at one time. So for example, if I select the red dice, I'm going to throw 1 dice and I throw it. You can see that the red dice is the traditional 1 to 6 dice. So when you throw it, you get the numbers 1 to 6. If we untick and we check the green dice, and we're going to throw 1 green dice, and you can see that on the green dice it's a dodecagon, it's a 12-sided dice, and it contains a suite of numbers that go from 1 to 19. So the green dice has a collection of random numbers between 1 and 19. The orange dice, let's select that. If we throw the orange dice, we can see that again it's a 12-sided dice. This time the numbers go from 21 to 49. So the orange dice has a random suite of numbers between 21 and 49. And the pink dice, again 12-sided dice, and it contains a random selection of numbers between 51 and 99. So those are the numbers that the dice contain. Next up, we can choose to throw 1 dice, 1 pink and 1 red. Or if we turn off the pink, we can choose to throw 2 red dice. Or you can throw 3 red dice, or even 5 red dice. And you could have the children add up the 5 numbers, write it on a dry white marker board and reveal it, and then you would add them together. So you can throw anywhere from 1 to 5 dice. If we uncheck the red and check the green, and if we want to throw 2 green dice, click throw, and up come the 2 green dice, one showing 14 and one showing 15. Or for example, we might decide we want to throw 1 green and 1 red. Okay, so in this case you have random numbers between 1 and 20 and 1 and 6, and again you could have the children add the 2 numbers together, or you could throw 1 of each of the 4 dice and add the 4 numbers that are revealed there, depending on what class you're teaching. So with my infants, if I was working on number bonds up to 12, I might choose to throw 2 red dice. Then I would ask the children, can you please add the 2 numbers? So what's 2 plus 1, or 2 add 1, or 2 and 1 more? They would do the mental calculation. They would write the answer on their dry white marker board or their dry white paddle board. I say to them, okay, show me. They hold up the board. I can see what each child has written, and then I correct it. Well, 2 and 1 is 3. Who had it correct? Or if I throw again, look, we have 4 and 3 is 7. So we're doing add-ins up as far as 12, 2 add-ins to 12, or indeed we could do 3 add-ins, and let's say we did get 3 sixes, so the maximum answer here is going to be 18, or somewhere between 3 and 18. So 5 and 2 is 7 and 1 is 8. And on my own dry white marker board beside my interactive whiteboard, I might write down 5 plus 2 plus 1, or I might have rec and rec, and I can pull out the beads on the rec and rec, or I might set out objects for the children as sets.